cornet can,
Boop-boopy-doo.
like Betty Boop can do. A saxophone can go, but a saxophone can't,
Boop-boopy-doo.
like Betty Boop can do. This little miss would never miss a chance for vocal tuning, and anytime and anywhere you can hear this lady crooning. An auto horn can go, but an auto horn can,
Boop-boopy-doo.
like Betty Boop can do. Made of pen and ink, she can win you with a wink.
Yoo-hoo.
Ain't she cute?
Boop-boopy-doo.
Sweet Betty.
Where's your driver?
As I should know.
As usual. Why are you late?
I got a cold No, I'm feeling awfully bad. Touch. What a time I've had. Touch. What I didn't button up my overcoat. Oh, and all I do is snip. Touch. Pass that handkerchief. Touch. What a funny feeling in my eyes and ears and throat. Oh, my day, and oh, my deeds, and all I do is just I done it, told it, I don't. Oh, I done it, told it, I don't. Now, in his auto, I did go. He said yes, but I said no, 'cause I done it, told it, I don't. 'Cause I done it, told it, I don't. You know, I went to see the doctor, and I asked him what to do. Oh, Lordy, help me. Hey, you're in our way.
Huh?
He said, I think I got one too, so we laid down side by side. Oh, I'm still here, but the doctor died, 'cause I told him I don't. Oh, I told him I poopy doopy doopy doop.
Gesundheit! Ready, set! say something for the Paramount News?
Sure, Mike. Was I that told him I don't? Oh, I that told him I